Sambhava, make it as a wooden floor so that it's nice for yoga and all the practices. I wanted people to learn all the things related to body, yoga, gym, weightlifting and dance, everything related to body, martial arts, Mallakamba, everything related to body. So make the floor that way and allot a area, specific area for Mallakamba, it should be sand. Talk to the Mallakamba teacher and how they wanted, make it that way. So the whole hall where everything available, one corner beautiful gym, one side the Mallakamba for the post, sand, everything, and one side that open gym means the parallel bars and all those things will be there. That with the sand, and the whole remaining area should be wooden floor. All the whole wall should be glassed completely, mirrored, so that people can do Swapurnatva also. Okay? Design it pakka. And you may not need to do any repair on the underground, na? Even when you strengthen the building. Huh? Okay, other than that nothing. Finish it, make it as a pakka, professional, international standard gym, Mallakamba training center and all the body related things, and even the library. Let the library also be there itself, Jnanalaya also be there. That area, whole thing is underground is allotted for this purpose. Yogalaya and Jnanalaya. The whole thing will be called as Mahanirvani Akada. Let all the best things be made available for sannyasis to have the training to their body and mind. And I also have a message from Turiya, the all Akadas have already left for Kashi. As per the tradition, actually I did it without knowing. As per the tradition, after Kumbh Mela you are supposed to go to Kashi. It's called Kashi Pravas. Nirvana Akada is already doing Kashi Pravas. All Mahamandaleshwar, Sri Mahans, all of them are in Kashi. Winding up has started. We did it. We did it. Of course, Kalabhairava is doing. Great. We will also have a traditional Dharma Dvaja established just like Akada here permanently. It is I think 55 feet. Do it in steel. You can do it in steel. Look how they are doing. And on that we will have a beautiful flag, Dhyanapitam flag.